Hey folks, it's Tankrel here at Mobile Congress 2018, and guess what I have in my hands? You guessed it, the banana phone from Nokia. This is the 8110 4G, and it's a beaut. Of course, as you know, this is not a smartphone, it's a dumb phone platform, but it does have apps. It does have, as you can see, no touchscreen, but you do get some apps and an app store, which is kind of cool. Again, very similar to the 3310 from last year, so nothing too big here. In the back, you've got a camera, probably a 2 megapixel with a flash, speaker, security cable as you see here. Nothing on the bottom other than a primary microphone, and you can still see a little notch to put your fingernail in there to remove the battery, because it's a removable battery. On top, you've got USB micro and 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. A very, very similar layout to the 3310 last year. So that's the 8110, and it's a 4G phone, so it has LTE and can be used as a hotspot, which is, I think, really freaking exciting. And again, you know, the mechanism here feels really great in hand. It's really nice. It's not spring-loaded, so you have to kind of slide it yourself, but it does stay in place at the bottom. And by the way, this is what it looks like underneath. There's some shadows here, but you get the feel for it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I wonder if there's a way to keep the display lit up when the keyboard is closed, but there you have it. The Nokia 8110 4G here at Mobile Congress 2018 in Barcelona. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my podcast, mobiletechpodcast.com. Thanks everyone, cheers.